In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat on your Shopify store. Live chat is a great way to answer customer questions in real time, reduce abandoned carts, and generally make your store feel more trustworthy. In this walkthrough, we'll be adding a live chat solution using an app called Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat directly from the Shopify App Store. First, log into your Shopify admin like you normally would. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. The live chat app you install will only apply to the store you're currently viewing. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Apps. This is where you manage all the extra tools and extensions that plug into your store. When the Apps page opens, find the option that says All Recommended Apps and click on that. Shopify uses this section to highlight useful tools, but we're going to go a bit further. Inside that view, look for the link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store and click it. This will open the full Shopify App Store, where you can search for thousands of apps. At the top of the App Store, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat, then press Enter. After the search results load, find the app named Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat, and click on it to open the app's detail page. Here you can quickly scan the description, screenshots, and reviews to confirm it matches what you're looking for. When you're ready, click the Install button. Shopify will now show you a permission screen explaining what the app will be able to access in your store. Read through this carefully so you understand how it connects to your products, orders, or customer data. Then, click Install again to confirm. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken through a quick, guided setup process. Follow each step on the screen and avoid skipping anything, because these options control how your chatbot behaves and how the live chat widget appears on your storefront. You'll see a straightforward dashboard where you can customize things like the chat bubble style, welcome message, basic automations, and AI chatbot behavior. Take your time here to align the chat experience with your brand voice and your customers' most common questions. When you finish, the live chat widget should be active on your store, ready to engage visitors and support your customers in real time.